guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this really simple 2-hour crochet beanie. And I say 2 hours because it literally takes 2 hours to make. So all you really need to make one of these hats is just a 5mm crochet hook, category 4 yarn. I use paint box yarn, Simply Aran yarn in pure black for this look. So we can jump right in and get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a couple announcements to make. If you have an Instagram account, you should definitely head over and follow my Instagram account, Crocheting, in the description below. I'll put the link in there. Every single week, posting a new stitch tutorial in Instagram TV. If you are a beginner at crocheting, or if you're interested in mastering a new technique, you should definitely head over and follow my account there. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a comment below and tell me how you fared with your 2-hour crochet beanie.